guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the exhaust I was talking about, changing it up a bit. I have finally got my packaging from Stainless Bros, aka Tycon Industries. So we're going to unbox this real quick, show you guys what's in here. So I got some pie cuts here for 1.5 inches. Again, this is for my dump tube here. So 1.5 inch tight radius. I got another V-band teal 38mm outlet flange. It's always nice to have those on hand just in case you need it. And then I got some more pie cuts in here. These are loose radius 1.5 inches. So that's all I ordered for that, because I already had, like I said, the straight pipe for 1.5 inches. So I think I got plenty of pipe in order to run a dump tube. I mean, it doesn't need to be super long. But I got these for any type of turns I wanted to make. I can just use some pie cuts, and you can always, it's real easy to angle whichever way you want. Because I also have a mandrel bend here too if I need to 90, if I need to make any type of other turn, and the pie cut won't suffice. So I got that. What I didn't get still is my 3-inch stainless pipe for the backside for the muffler when I'm running all that stuff and putting in the V-bands on that. So I still gotta go and get the 3-inch stainless pipe. I think I'm going to go to Pep Boys tomorrow and see if I can find some so that I can weld these on and get this muffler over here welded up. So right now I think I'm just going to drop the exhaust probably from the downpipe back and see where I want to cut it basically. So I'll flip the camera over there so you guys can see everything. Okay guys, so I got the exhaust off. As you can see, this was the pipe right after the downpipe here on this side, and then the resonator in the middle here, and then obviously the muffler here, right? So what I'm going to end up doing, it looks like, I'm going to end up cutting this mount off here. I'm probably going to have to just use like a little cutoff wheel and just cut off those welds. And then I think I'm also going to take this brace here as well and weld that because it looks like it was kind of supporting the backside of this muffler for where this was hanging. So I got to cut here. I got to cut here. I'm going to pretty much take these hangers off, that way I can reuse them. So, well, this one's obviously going to stay because I'm reusing this pipe. But these definitely got to come off, just so I can cut here. So that should be fun. I'm welding that muffler directly in place of this one. So, matter of fact, let's see how she fits up real quick. Let me move this up. Let's see what she looks like. So this, they're about the same size. I had room under there still, so looks like the tip might have came out a little bit more, but I'm not really worried about that. So even if I had to, I could add a little more pipe on the back end to match it up. So not a big deal. And as far as height goes, I am going to have to cut that off and use that because that's another part for a hanger. So it actually might be good that this doesn't line up perfect, because then I can move that out a smidge. Again, not a big deal. So I think fit up's going to be fine. I'm going to end up cutting the end off here, so this flange is going to get cut off, and then like I said, I'm going to weld that directly to that. So if any of you guys have ever TIG welded, then you know for TIG welding everything has to be clean. So since I've been using this, it's obvious that it's nice and dirty. I don't know if you can see in there, but after I cut it, I'm going to spend lots of time cleaning that out. I'm probably going to have to get a wire brush in there, and then get some acetone in there until she's down to bare metal. I'm probably going to go back down in there as far as I can, really, to clean it out as much as I can, because I'm converting this to a V-band, and I want to convert this end of this pipe over here and convert this side to a V-band. So that means I'm going to have to take that downpipe off, which I'll do tomorrow. So I think as of right now, this is probably all I'm going to do tonight, because I got to go get that 3-inch pipe. So stay tuned, and I will show you the welding. I'm sorry today was a short video. I mean, all I did was drop the exhaust pretty much and show you guys what I have out here. So stay tuned, and we'll get her finished.